Cell and cytology. 1. Information about cell. Definition of a cell. The cell is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all known organisms. It is the smallest unit of life. Cell theory. The cell theory states that all living organisms are composed of one or more cells. Cells are the basic units of structure and function in organisms, and all cells come from pre-existing cells. 2. Cell discovery. Robert Hooke, 1665, discovered cells while examining cork slices under a microscope. He coined the term cell based on the cell-like structures he observed. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, 1674, observed living cells through a microscope, including bacteria, sperm cells, and blood cells. 3. Cell types and structures. Prokaryotic cells, simple cells lacking a membrane-bound nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Examples include bacteria and archaea. Eukaryotic cells, complex cells with a membrane-bound nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Examples include plant, animal, fungal, and protist cells. Cell membrane, plasma membrane, a phospholipid bilayer that surrounds the cell, separating its internal environment from the external environment. It regulates the passage of substances in and out of the cell. Nucleus, the control center of the cell, containing the genetic material, DNA, organized into chromosomes. Cytoplasm, the gel-like substance within the cell, containing organelles and other cellular structures. Organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum, a network of membranes involved in protein and lipid synthesis. Golgi apparatus, modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for storage or transport out of the cell. Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, responsible for generating energy in the form of ATP through cellular respiration. Chloroplasts, in plant cells, site of photosynthesis, where light energy is converted into chemical energy. Ribosomes, sites of protein synthesis. Lysosomes, vesicles containing digestive enzymes involved in breaking down cellular waste and foreign materials. Vacuoles, in plant cells, membrane-bound sacs involved in storage, waste disposal, and maintaining turgor pressure. Cytoskeleton, a network of protein filaments, microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments that maintains cell shape, facilitates cell movement, and provides structural support. Centrioles, in animal cells, organize the microtubules of the cytoskeleton and play a role in cell division.